Like I think back to getting, you know, when I was trying to become a teacher and getting interviewed for a teacher job. And so, Mr. Fender, please tell me what process you go through planning for your students. You know, what does that look like? So of course you say, well, it begins with the program of studies and blah, 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 right? And you know how that answer works. Um, but I think in some way the program of studies, we need to make sure that it's not limiting what our teachers think they're allowed to do. That what they need to do first is figure out what the needs of the children are, and then figure out which part of the curriculum from K to 12 is going to meet their needs, regardless of the grade they're in.
Hmm.
And if we're teaching grade 3, we're not just looking at that grade 3 curriculum, because frankly, grade names are, I think, arbitrary. You know, we use them to help sort. It doesn't mean that every child that comes to you with a grade 3 has all the prerequisite knowledge to be at a grade 3 student based on the Alberta education curriculum.